Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have another unboxing from Diamond Dotz that I got from dotsdirect.com.au. This particular one is a blue peacock. It is really large. I won't be able to fit it on my table, but we'll see how we go. So as always, when you do order off of dotsdirect.com.au, he always chucks in a pair of scissors. And these are really nice scissors. Actually, nice embroidery scissors. So that was really nice of him. They've got heaps to choose from on there on his website. It's very, very good to deal with. So, without further ado, blue peacock. I've been wanting this one for ages, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get it because I have to. So it comes in this very large, very sturdy box, actually, really sturdy box. On these boxes here, I love how they show you the finished product, and so you can see what you're getting and how it's going to turn out. I love that. And as we come down to here, you've got your Diamond Dotz, and you've got on the side there, try and bring it around this way without wiping everything out. There you go. So it shows you your design area, your design size, and your fabric size. So your design size is 60 by 84 centimeters, and your fabric size is 64 by 88. So that's a fair size. It is a partial. And as you see on the other side, it shows you the diamond area, and it tells you how many colors there are, which is 22, and how many drills there are in there. So I'm actually quite intrigued because I think they look like special drills. And I know there's special drills, on his feathers. So that's cool. Alright, well, let's get into it and have a look. So that does come sealed. I've just cut that just so I can get into it a bit easier. So it's nice and protected in there. Inside you've got one canvas and your drills. Put them over there. So your canvas comes nicely rolled up in this clear plastic sleeve. It protects it from moisture and dust and all that sort of stuff. You get that lovely scalloped edging with your Diamond Dotz, which I absolutely love. And I think that's, yep, right way up. So first of all, you have your Diamond Dotz number, blue peacock, your design size, and your fabric size down the bottom. And in here somewhere, I'll just get it out first. Should be. So in every Diamond Dotz diamond painting box, you will get this instruction sheet. It is full color. It's in all different languages. It is worthwhile if you diamond painted before to have a bit of a read of that, because sometimes you can get some interesting tips as well. Anyway, we want to see what's in here. Alright, so there's your bottom. Very nice. Look at the top. I love the branch. And gosh, that's big. And the top. What's that? Bit of plastic. So I'll just bring him. Gosh, that's big. Look at the colors. Isn't that stunning? Wow. That is just gonna, you know, with your drills and that, it's just gonna sparkle, and that's gonna be fabulous. Come around this way so you can have a look at this. That's great. Gee, I love the colors. Okay, so what I might do is I might just use the drills to hold him down, and we'll have a bit of a a close-up and have a look at that drill field. So in we go. So that looks really good. There's your tree branch. I love the background too. I love how it's soft. It's all blended. Bring her that way. It's really big. I need a bigger table. Wow. So I'll bring you up to the feathers on his head. So you can have a look at the drill field on that one. Get that out of the way. Cool. That is going to be absolutely stunning. So yeah, you won't have any trouble there reading those symbols. You do have some dark, some dark colors there, but the print is in a lighter color, a white or a soft gray, and it shouldn't be too hard to see. I will be using a white pad. There goes my drills. I'm just going to take you over to, here we go, the symbol key. Wait a minute, let me bring you around this way. Wow. Sorry. Right, there's your symbol key. So you have, so that's interesting. What's that? Okay, so you've got these ones here are your normal drills. And you have your symbols, and you also have their reference number. And then this little section here is for the special drills. So it looks like you get 3 different kinds of special drills. Cool. Alright, I will zoom you back out again. There we go. Oh, I just love that. Wow, that is so pretty. In the background, it's gorgeous. Alright, so we'll flip her over. And we'll have a look at those drills. Which I have to get somewhere. Where are they? Oh. Okay, so I've got the drills off the floor. So your drills come in a plastic resealable bag. And you've got your little label there that says the name of it, which half of it's missing, but anyway. And you've got your toolkit and your drills in there, so we'll put in there and have a look. Gorgeous colors. Right. First things first, you have your toolkit. So it's your standard toolkit. You've got your drill tray, your wax that comes in a screw top container. You've got your squeegee comfort thing for your drill pen. You have a single placer diamond painting pen, and you have looks like a fair amount of Ziploc bags in there as well. So your drills. Oh my gosh, they just keep going on the floor. Alright. So you've got your drills, you've got some gorgeous greens and blues. Just gorgeous colors. Some beautiful yellows. Dark brown and a gorgeous mint green. some dark blues. So one thing with Diamond Dotz, they are my favorite brand. I love the quality. I love the quality of the drills. They're uniform, they're cut beautifully, and they just really sparkle. I love, love, love doing their diamond paintings. And the colors as well of their drills, they're gorgeous. And you got some different grays there. Also, you've got the quality of your canvas and the quality of the glue. It's just gorgeous. I love their products. Got some more blues. And you've got some stunning special drills. Check out. Oh, that is gorgeous. Holy moly. Aren't they just stunning? So it looks like you've got them in a couple of different sizes. Got some smaller ones. Oh, they're just beautiful. Beautiful teardrops. Aren't they absolutely stunning? Trying to catch a bit of light there to show you. Oh, seeing them in person is just wow. Some more teardrops. And you've got some little marquees as well with that same beautiful sparkle. Oh, they're just gorgeous. So they're the same. Right, so you've got those two are the same. Then you've got 3 packets of color 21. Wait, 1, 2, 4 packets of color 21. And you've got 1 packet of the little marquees. Oh, they're just gorgeous. So there you go. That is the blue peacock. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to do this right now. And I've got 4 diamond paintings that I'm working on at the moment, and I don't have time. I'll have to rush through the other ones so I can get started on this. Oh, isn't it just gorgeous? Isn't it just going to look beautiful, those bits there just sparkling with those special drills? So there you go, Blue Peacock from dotzdirect.com.au. He is absolutely brilliant to deal with. He ships very quickly. He's got good prices. He's got a great website, lots to choose from, good prices, and excellent customer service. Really, really good to deal with. Blue Peacock, love, love, love this. Cannot wait to get started on it. So thank you so much for watching my video today, and keep your eyes peeled for this one. I will be eventually doing a work in progress through to review on it. So keep your eyes peeled for that. That is going to be absolutely sensational. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye.